Good morning students. In this video we are going to continue our third chapter of moral science of class 6. We learned the one third of the story. Now we are going to continue our story. Bhimrao rejected most of the suitors after meeting them briefly. Either they were too shorter, too longer, too tall, too fat, or too intelligent enough. Finally he narrowed down the choice to three suitors. He felt that all the three were very good. He found all three equally intelligent, wise, and courageous. They were tall and handsome. Not now he did know who is the best among all of them. So Bhimrao, as we know, there are many more persons come to marry with the Bhimrao's daughter. So now Bhimrao tried to test uh, all the companions, or tested them in a very well manner, or and see look to them. But what he finds some are too taller, some are too shorter, some are too fat, or some are not that much enough to marry with his daughter. Finally, after considering or testing a lot, Bhimrao finally get three men's or shooters who are enough, or a very good, good, and equally handsome, and smart, courageous, intelligent person. Now he did not know who one is best among all of three. What do I do, Sevakram? How do I decide which one should marry my daughter? I am very confused. Bhimrao considered in his neighbors. uh, why didn't you test them skill and choose the one who performed the best? Advised the Sevakram. Perhaps you are right. I will call the three of them tomorrow and give them a test. Then after considering these three shooters, the Sevakram, the Bhimrao get too much confused that which one is perfect and suitable for her daughter, his daughter. Then he asked to her neighbor Sevakram that which one is, I want to select one who is best for my daughter. How can I do this? The Sevakram advised them that why not you give them a task, and the based on the task who perform in best way, you can select them for your daughter. Then the Sevakram said, yes, you are right, you are saying right. I call them tomorrow and I consider give them a task. The next morning he sent for the three shooters. The three of you want to marry my daughter. I like all of you, and I am sure that you will keep my daughters very happy and content. I confused that didn't know which one is best for suitor to become my son-in-law. I have decided to test you. The one who does the best will be choose as my daughter husbands. What do you say? Do you agree? Then the Sevakram called all the three shooters in suitors, and as he asked to them, or he uh, give them a task. He said that according to me, you three are equally intelligent and are capable to get married with my daughter, but I want to select the one which one is the best among all of you three, and I want those only to become my daughters daughter's husband and my son-in-law. That's why I want to give you a task to perform. Based on those tasks, I am going to select. Would you agree with my this decision? They all agreed. Then he said, I give you all 3 months time. At the end of 3 months, I want you to come back to me and tell me about one great thing that you have done during this period. I can be anything, it can be anything. I will be the final judge and choose the right man for my daughter. After I have had the dead that you